Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the right platform and tools. This decides performance and features. Once chosen, import essential 3D models and textures, making sure assets are mobile-ready. Next, configure your development environment, install Unity or Unreal, add the AR package, and enable camera and motion permissions. Connect a real test device early so you can iterate. Small changes reveal tracking issues fast. Make the first scene with a simple plane and place one object. This gets you into hands-on testing immediately. Once the foundation is active, focus on robust tracking and interaction. You implement plane and anchor detection, then validate world tracking across bright and dim scenes so placement stays stable. Make sure to optimize models, add LODs, reduce texture sizes to 0, 5.2 MB, and target reasonable triangle counts. Then wire interactions, touch to place, pinch to scale, drag to move, using raycasts and lightweight physics. Test responsiveness and latency on your device. If interactions feel laggy, profile CPU/G. To finish, you polish visuals and stabilize behavior so users trust the experience. Tune lighting and occlusion, add soft shadows, and confirm consistent real-world scale. Small mismatches break immersion. Prepare builds. Set platform settings, privacy text for camera, and include basic analytics. Run a final test plan across devices and network conditions, then deploy to a closed beta. If things go wrong, recalibrate anchors and tracking settings first. Clear app caches and retest. Those steps fix most placement and drift issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.